near Kasauli. Tata Mist is a luxurious vacation home project situated on a private hilltop. Strategically located, it's 45 minutes from Chandigarh, 45 minutes from Kasauli, 1.5 hours from Chandigarh, about 2 hours from Shimla, and about 6 hours from Delhi. This strategic advantage makes Mist one of the most premier properties in the hills, which brings one closer to the nature. Having biophilic design, it also enables each and every unit having maximum natural wind and lighting conditions in the house. And every house has great balconies, decks, windows facing the valley, which again makes enables Mist to offer scenic beauty from all of its units. That's the specialty of the Mist project we are having. The project is spread across 12 acres of land parcel. It has been designed by the world's leading architect Lewin Davis Young. It has huge number of inventory in the sense of typologies because we are catering to everyone's needs. People from Delhi NCR, Mumbai, Chandigarh, Mohali, down south, Hyderabad, Bangalore, and even internationally in UK, Kuwait, Dubai, Singapore, we have been getting attraction from everywhere around the world because this is one of its kind property, having luxury with peace. Next slide. So as I was talking about the multiple typologies we are having studio and 1 BHK apartments. Studio apartments start from 75 lakhs, 1 BHK apartments start from 1.5 CR, and then we are having typologies of 3, 4, 5 BHK independent duplex villa units, which are having master bedrooms with double ceiling height, then they are having private pools, they are having their lobbies, they are having the private decks, they are having private elevators, and we are promising spectacular views of the valley from each of the unit. It's like enjoying your vacation in your own home. You're designing the own home in your own priorities, and that's what makes it so special. And apart from all these units, all the units in Mist, we are also having an operation clubhouse. So as Rohit sir was also telling about Tata that we are always keen to cater to everyone's need. Clubhouse is a very important thing for us. Even in Mist, in the hills, we are running the clubhouse throughout the year. We are not closing it anytime. We are ensuring that the swimming pools, what we are having, the cafe at Mist, the restaurant, what we are having, the gymnasium, the equipments, everything is running top notch throughout the year. And that's what makes it so special. And apart from the amenities we are having here, we are having concierge services as well. So understanding that the project is situated commercially away from all the cities, it's on a different hilltop. It's giving you a much of peace over there. So we're having concierge services catering to your daily needs in terms of grocery items, your needs for cleaning the house, and many more needs. And also we are having a 24x7 ambulance placed in the Mist itself so that one can easily have access to the immediate medical conditions. And we're having an on-call doctor as well. So these all things combined make Mist a very unique project and one of its kind in the India. Now we'll look ahead some of the glimpses of the Mist, the actual photos of the clubhouse what we are having. So I will request Kabir to just go next. So yes, you can see that you're having the multi-purpose hall. This is a hall which we can use for our parties arrangements. Then when we look ahead, we have our gymnasium, we have our infinity edge pool, we have an indoor pool which is an all-weather pool which is running throughout the year. And these amenities combined with the scenic beauty makes Mist one of its kind special project for all of us. Now for our special presentation, I would like to invite Mr. Navjot, my colleague, who will give a brief about the Goa project as well. Handing over to you, Navjot.
Yeah, thanks, Abhi.